Let's discover the benefits of boiled beets today. Boiled red beets may appear unassuming, but they pack a powerful punch in terms of nutrition and health benefits. Let's delve into why you should consider adding boiled beets to your diet. Rich in nutrients, boiled beets are teeming with essential nutrients like vitamin C, fiber, folate, and potassium. Heart health. These ruby red wonders can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Boost stamina. Athletes often turn to beets because of their natural nitrates, which enhance athletic performance by improving oxygen utilization. Antioxidants. Beets are an excellent source of antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage and support overall health. Digestive health. The fiber in beets promotes a healthy digestive system, helping prevent constipation and digestive discomfort. Weight management. With low calories and high fiber content, boiled beets can be your ally in managing your weight. Detoxification. Betalains found in beets support your body's natural detoxification processes, helping rid your body of harmful toxins. Add boiled beets to your diet through salads, soups, or a tasty side dish. Don't miss out on the incredible benefits of this humble vegetable. Try them today and savor the wholesome goodness. Feel free to use this content for your short video or any other platform where you'd like to highlight the benefits of boiled beets. Is this conversation helpful so far?